In this video we will talk about an altcoin Solana, what it is, how it works and its features, so make sure you watch the video till the end. Solana, a rapidly expanding blockchain that is frequently referred to as a Ethereum killer, bears remarkable parallels to Ethereum. The Sol coin may be bought on most significant exchanges, just like Ethereum. The Solana network, which offers special benefits, is where the token's true value lies in transactions. The proof of history consensus algorithm is used by the Solana blockchain. The following block in Solana's chain is determined by this algorithm using timestamps. A proof of work method is used by the majority of early cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Litecoin, to determine the blocks in their chains. The consensus method used by proof of work relies on miners to choose the next block. However, this proof of work system consumes a lot of resources and operates slowly, which consumes a lot of energy. This is one of the motivations behind Ethereum's impending merge, which will see the network switch to a proof-of-stake architecture. Proof of stake, as opposed to the previous proof-of-work system, uses staking to choose the next block. Until validators agree on the next block of the chain, staked tokens are kept by the blockchain as collateral. Solana employs a mixture of time-tested cryptographic algorithms and fresh ideas to address the flaws of crypto's first-wave solutions, claims Konstantin Anisimov, Chief Operating Officer of cryptocurrency exchange CEXIO. Solana's primary goal was to address Ethereum's scalability difficulties, which it accomplished thanks to its distinctive blend of proof-of-history and delegated proof-of-stake algorithms. A variant of the more conventional proof-of-stake algorithm is called delegated proof-of-stake. For those who need a refresher, the proof-of-stake mechanism is a series of transactions that uses a validator system to add new blocks to a blockchain. Solana's delegated proof-of-stake method benefits consumers in a number of ways. According to Christian Hazim, an analyst at ETF supplier Global X, the history algorithm offers an additional degree of protection to the network. Solana essentially resolves two of the three problems Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of Ethereum, mentioned in his blockchain trilemma of scalability, security, and decentralization. Most experts feel that the network only handles two aspects of the trilemma, security and decentralization, despite the fact that Buterin initially claimed Ethereum would address all three of its components. But Solana is made to handle both the security and scalability sides of the trilemma. Sol's proof-of-history technique offers the network with exceptional security, while the Solana platform's improved scalability is made possible by how quickly computations are performed. What makes Solana unique? Anisimov claims that Solana delivers significantly quicker transaction speeds than its nearest rivals, Ethereum and Cardano, ADA, at a fraction of the cost by utilizing a special mix of proof-of-history and delegated proof-of-stake. Proof-of-history employs timestamps in its definition of blocks for the Solana chain as opposed to proof-of-work, which uses the miners themselves to determine the next block in a chain, or proof-of-stake, which uses staked tokens to determine the next block. This cutting-edge technology enables blockchain validators to vote on the timestamps of various blocks in the chain. This maintains the chain's decentralization while also enabling faster, more secure computations. How does Solana work? Solana uses protocols for both delegated proof-of-stake and proof-of-history transactions. According to Brian Routledge, an associate professor of finance at the Tepper School of Business at Carnegie Mellon University, Solana is using this combination of protocols to handle lots of transactions quickly. Routledge notes that centralization is typically necessary when attempting to handle transactions fast. For instance, Visa uses a sizable computer network to maintain its processing speed. In contrast, Routledge claims that Bitcoin processes transactions very slowly in order to maintain its decentralized nature. Solana tries to process transactions at speeds equivalent to a big, centralized firm like Visa, while keeping the decentralization of Bitcoin because the whole goal of blockchain technology is to enable decentralized services. Since Solana's technologies have reduced financial and environmental costs, this speed enables greater scalability. Solana's blockchain needs higher degrees of security due to how quickly blocks are added to it. Solana's proof-of-history algorithm is useful in this situation. This technique timestamps every block in a way that preserves the security of the system. The Sol tokens of Solana are then staked and used as security for network transactions. These transactions range from using Solana as a non-fungible token, NFT, marketplace to validating smart contracts. Degenerate Ape Academy's debut as the first significant NFT project on the Solana NFT marketplace in August 2021, more than a year after Solana's launch, was one of the platform's great breakthroughs. Solana's price increased from $30 to $75 in the first 3 weeks of that month. The top value of Solana occurred in November 2021, at the height of the cryptocurrency bull run, when it reached almost $260. If you think this video have added value to your knowledge, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you.